Good afternoon. It is 6:42 here in Hermitage, Tennessee. It is a Sunday afternoon. This is being recorded with no lights at all. This is just the regular daylight that's coming in through the windows located over the top of the monitor here and the windows that are on this side where the light is coming from this direction, from the windows into the side of my face. This side of my face is toward the wall where there's no windows. I'm now going to turn on just the backlight that's over here on this side, give it side lighting to the darker side. As you can see, that it's some good. This is the upper right light on the tripod. It's about 6 to 7 feet off the ground, sitting at the back of the desk. This is the left light. So that's with full light. Just to see what it looks like. Now I'm going to pick a different background screen and a different background screen. See how it works. There's several different of them. This is a darker background. This, of course, is the big on air. Mainly, this is just to give an idea. Now you can see right here, that streak of light right there, that's from the sun coming in. It's interesting. It's showing on my shirt, but if I turn sideways, it's not showing on the green screen at all. That is interesting. Let's go up and see what the green screen itself looks like. We're going to turn off all backgrounds. That's what my green screen looks like right now, fully lit. So we turn off all. That's the Gato GreenScreen with me, with totally natural light in the room. In the late afternoon, early evening. It is now 6:45. We're going to stop this, but I just wanted to show you the difference that properly lighting a green screen can make. And with that, we will end this recording.